Hi, today we are going to see demo for PG Hostel booking MERN web application. First we will open the MongoDB. Next click on the connect. Then open the Visual Studio. You can explore the SRC file. Then you can view the backend and the client server. It's have a source code. Then go to the client and click on the SRC file. You can view the components. It's have a React.js files on this page. Next, open the readme text. It's have a how to open application and step-by-step procedure and login details. Then run the backend and the client server. So open the new terminal. First add a path on backend. So copy the CD backend on the paste to the terminal. Now backend is add path. Next start the backend. So copy the npm start and paste to the terminal. Now backend server is connected. Next open the new terminal on the client. Add a path on the client. So copy the CD client and paste to the terminal. Next run the client. So copy the npm div and paste to the terminal. Client server also connected. Then you can view the URL code. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. Now we can view the PG hostel booking management system. The web page have three roles: owner, admin and user. First we will go to the owner. Enter the email ID and password. Then log in the owner homepage. Login successfully. Now you can view the hostel owner homepage. First we will start the create hostel details. Owners can be add a new hostel details on this page. So enter the given details, then submit the details. Next go to the view hostel detail. Here you can view our hostel details on this page and then go to the upload photo. You can upload our hostel photos on this page. If you want to change our hostel details, you can click on the update. You can change and update our hostel details. Then click on the geo map. Now update our current location. Next go to the show map. You can see our hostel location on this page. Then click on the room. Owners can be update our room available status on this page. So click on the enter the room type. Then room price. Then the number of vacancy. Now update our room details on this page. Next you can view our room available details on this page. Then click on the update and we can update our room details. Next, go to the view customer booking. We can view our customer booking on this page. Next, go to the view feedback. Here you can view our customer feedback on this page. Next, we will move for the user. You have to sign up. Click on the register now. Enter the given details. Enter your name, email ID, then password. Then city. Then click on the sign up. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, and then length of 8 digits. Register successfully. If you already registered, you can using your mail ID and password, then log in the user home page. Now you can see the user home page. First go to the hostel details. Here you can search our hostel details and find the hostel. Then go to the check room availability. Here you can view the room availability on this page. Then go to the book now. Enter the given details, then book the now we can view the user home page. First we will go to the search hostel detail. Here you can search the hostel detail, then find the hostel. We can view the hostel details on this page, then check the room availability. We can view the rooms on this page. Next, click on the book now. Fill the booking form, then book the room. Next, go to the show map. You can view the hostel location on this page. Next, go to the feedback. Enter our name and share our feedback about PG. Then go to the my booking. Here you can view our booking details on this page. Next, we will move for the admin. Click on the admin role, then enter the email ID and password. Login successfully. First go to the view and approve hostel. Admin can verify the hostel details and approve the hostel. So click on the update status, then select the upload and submit. Now upload the hostel. Next go to the user detail. Here you can view the all user details on this page. Then go to the hostel owner detail. You can view the all hostel owner details on this page. That's the whole PG hostel booking MERN web application.